Hello cuties, let's play a game. Question number 1. To which part of an ant's body is its legs attached? Its thorax. Question number 2. Are rabbits born blind? Yes. Question number 3. Do sponges have a heart? No. Question number 4. What is a female donkey called? A jenny. Question number 5. Which animal breathes through its skin? Frog. Question number 6. How long does it take for a sloth to digest its food? Two weeks. Question number 7. Lemurs are native to which country? Madagascar. Question number 8. Which was the first animal to be domesticated? A goat. Question number 9. What do you call a group of fish? A school. Question number 10. What is a nocturnal animal? An animal that sleeps during the day and hunts at night. Question number 11. What is the color of a newborn flamingo? Grey in color. Question number 12. How do snakes smell? With their tongue. Question number 13. What does a caterpillar turn into after making a cocoon? A butterfly. Question number 14. What color is a reindeer's eyes in winter? Blue in color. Question number 15. How many brains does an octopus have? 9. Question number 16. Which animal cannot look up? Pig. Question number 17. How do honeybees taste food? With their feet. Question number 18. How many glasses of milk does a cow give in its lifetime? 2 lakhs. Question number 19. Which animal can turn its head 270 degrees? Owl. Question number 20. Which animal can move its eyes independently? Chameleon. Question number 21. Why don't spiders stick to their webs? Because they walk on the non-sticky threads. Question number 22. How can you determine the age of a lion? By seeing its nose. Question number 23. Which animal has the strongest bite? Hippopotamus. Question number 24. Where do dogs wait? The pads of their feet. Question number 25. Which is the national bird of New Zealand? Kiwi. Question number 26. How many compartments does a cow's stomach have? 4. Question number 27. Which is the largest animal in the squirrel family? Groundhog. Question number 28. Which animal's name means water horse? Hippopotamus. Question number 29. How does a puffer fish respond to threats? It puffs itself up like a balloon. Question number 30. Which species of bear has translucent fur? Polar bear. Question number 31. How many legs does a honeybee have? 6. Question number 32. What is the color of an ocelot? Yellow with black markings. Question number 33. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? Giraffe. Question number 34. What is a baby puffin called? A puffling. Question number 35. What is a group of giraffes called? A tower. Question number 36. What are male and female elephants called? Bull and cow.